All right, our piece is set for 24 hours after spraying, and I'm ready to add the next layer of resin. Made sure already that we were level, although I typically have mine set up for the first layer and I don't move anything, so typically nothing changes. My resin is all mixed and ready to go. I'm mixing the exact same amount for every single layer. So let's pour. 1 second, I can see there's something sitting on top of there. Let's get it off of there. There we go. Spread it all over the surface. And then once we have it all over the surface, we're going down the sides. And I make sure that I've got some on my hands and then put it down the sides. That's the best way to make sure that it's going to flow evenly and I'm not going to have weird ridges over my sides. So make sure that it's completely covered. All right, now let's grab the heat gun and remove any bubbles that have already come to the surface. There we go. Once again, I'll continue to do that for the first hour or so. Typically, I'll check it every 10-15 minutes and just hit it with the heat gun, because for the first little while, you'll have bits that were inside the resin that have risen to the surface. I can see a couple little flecks of dust are already on there, so I just take a toothpick and I typically have it sitting right here and I keep using the same one to remove any bits. So we are going to let this cure for 24 hours and I will see you when that is done and we will work on our third layer.